Hello dear friends, once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read chapter number 3 of 7th class and the name of the chapter is Gopal and Hilsafis. This is a very interesting story. So let us start the video. It was the season for Hilsafis and all the fishermen are very much excited because they are getting lot of Hilsafishes and now they can go to the market and they can sell them and they can get lot of money by selling them. If we talk about fish market, fish mongers, they will sell nothing else but only Hilsa fish. They are asking, come buy, the price of Hilsa fish is down today. This Hilsa fish is very tasty, please purchase it, and this is very economical. This is very big. So all the fishmongers, they are just attracting their customers. If we talk about families in the village, they are also talking about only Hilsa fish. They are asking the prices of Hilsa fish to each other. How much did you pay for this Hilsa fish? Then other said that this is very economical. When I will tell you the price, you will not believe how much money I have given for it. Same thing happened in the palace. All the courtiers, they are also discussing about Hilsa fish and they are talking to the king also. Your Majesty, you should have seen very big fish, very big Hilsa fish I caught. It was very big. Suddenly the king got angry and said, stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Everyone was silent because the king was angry. But the king felt guilty for his mistake. He thought that he should not be so much angry in front of the courtiers. He said to the courtiers, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Everyone is just talking about Hilsa fish and I am fed up of Hilsa fish because everywhere, every moment only Hilsa fish is there. Then Gopal said, oh, I think I could, Your Majesty, I could stop everyone talking about the Hilsa fish. Then the king said, okay, if you can do that, then it's a challenge from my side. What you have to do, you will go to market, you will purchase a huge Hilsa fish and you will come to the palace without anyone asking you about it. Gopal said, Your Majesty, I accept your challenge. I will do it. A few days later, Gopal was dressing for purchasing the Hilsa fish and he had shaved his face half and remaining face he was just smearing the ash. Gopal's wife was very much surprised. What are you doing? Gopal said, I am going to buy a Hilsa fish. Gopal's wife said, okay, I have listened that you are going to buy a Hilsa fish, but why are you dressing like this? What happened to you? Gopal said to his wife, how many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish and I am just dressed like this to buy a Hilsa fish. Gopal's wife thought that it happened that this man has gone mad. Nothing could be done of this man. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. And everyone was just talking about Gopal. Hey, look towards that man. He is very much funny. Everyone was surprised. Who is this man? Why he is dressed like this? Oh, some people were talking. I think this person is not mentally okay. He may be some kind of magician or he may be some kind of cheater. Everyone was just talking about Gopal's dress. How unusually he was dressed. No one noticed Hilsa fish in his hand. Now Gopal reached the court and Gopal said that I want to see the king. The courtier said, hey, 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 stop. You can't go inside. You can't meet with king. Gopal said, no, no, no. I want to meet the king. I have a urgent work. I want to see your king. Then the courtier said, no, no, no. We will not allow you to go into the palace. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. The courtiers were very much surprised. The king was inside. The king thought, I think the man is crazy. The courtiers were talking. Throw him out at once. Gopal said again and again, I want to see the king. Let me in. I want to see the king. The king said to the courtier, bring that man to me at once. Then the courtier said, yes, your majesty, we will bring this man inside. Gopal was brought before the king. Someone said, it's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. Everyone was talking about Gopal. All right, Gopal, what happened to you? Why are you wearing such a funny dress? Gopal said, your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. The king was surprised. I have forgotten something. What are you saying, Gopal? Gopal said, everyone is talking about me, how I am dressed and what I am doing. No one is just asking about the hilsa fish which I purchased today from the market. You see, I have a huge fish in my hand. Only then the king remembered the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. Only you can do this. You are very, very intelligent. Dear friends, if you like the video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.